Richie back here, some people over there getting trained up, we think. Just having a stroll. We're working hard again and I have computer face, so I've come out to get some fresh air with him.
My shoulder.
And that's my level. That's right. That's all I know of Brian. Shoulder level. So yeah, not much to report. Oh, shouldn't be driving along
Rachel
here.
dies.
On camera. Yeah, literally have nothing to say again. I did an app review today, but I haven't uploaded it yet because I've got some gameplay going up of the Richie Bop house, which was rather fun, and I've seen some real good progress.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, so the Richie Bop house gameplay will be up soon. Then I'm going to upload the SWAT app review. And that was really fun as well. And yeah, that's it. That's it, I'm gonna go. I love you. I love you. I love that seagull. Goodbye.